Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi. I'm doing my executive MBA from IMT Ghaziabad. I'm pursuing marketing here. I started my career with Capgemini in 2011. From there, I moved to my own business, and after that, I started working in a digital marketing startup. After the startup, I am here in IMT Ghaziabad. So, fresh out of college, I got placed in Capgemini. It was my first year of so much fun. I was doing a General Motors project over there, and we were working for GM Australia and New Zealand, and we took care of all their reporting activities. So after Capgemini, I loved working there, but I felt I should do something on my own. Nobody likes to have a boss every day. So, after a lot of brainstorming, we thought that why not start a business? I started a distribution ship in Anna Nagar, Chennai. So, Chennai, I know it's a bit different, but I did my college from there. I did my working. I was working there, so I started my business over there. I started my Amul distribution ship business. It was a distribution ship of ice creams in the whole Annanagar area. So when I first started, I know it was a bit difficult. It is a man's territory, the people say. It was initially a few hiccups were there, but it was really going on smooth. My name is Meenakshi, so whenever I used to call up a client, they used to start speaking Tamil because everybody, thought, okay, Meenakshi, it should be a Tamilian. So initially that was a big problem, and being a girl, unfortunately, I did have an undue advantage in getting the clients initially. People would, it's difficult to say no to a girl. Anyway, after that, I started the business, not huge profit. Yeah, we were making decent money. Then, Chennai floods came. I hope you guys know about December 2015. Chennai was drowned, and my business literally got drowned under that. Though it was difficult, yeah, something which you had built, seeing that go to this way, it was a bit difficult, but life moves on. So from after, we had to wind up the business, close everything down, and after that I moved to Delhi. So I knew one thing, that I did not want to go back to IT sector, so I had to search for something new. Some of my friends suggested, why don't you try digital advertising, because I already had a sales experience now, and doing sales with no prior education, I did it pretty well. So I thought, why not? So I started working with a small company. For 4 months I worked there, and then one of my friends, I made a lot of people in that company. So he was starting a company, and I joined from the day one. I know I was not the founder there, but it's again a pleasure, starting a company from the day one. You get to learn, you get to build the company, and I'm very proud of the fact that we built that company from scratch from day one. So there were 3 of us, and we were working. And digital advertising is something which is extremely upcoming right now. Everywhere, and especially during the COVID time. So digital industry has taken a boom. I was very glad to be a part of that. But I knew, I needed some education about marketing, and I love doing marketing. So the main reason why I came to IMT to do my MBA, because I wanted to learn how to do marketing, what are the basics of business and other things. Like my own business, what are things I have learned in IMT, in my education here. In my business, I would have, if I had utilized those, the concepts which I have learned, I might have been able to save my business. I have learned how, not to hog things. Like we used to order a lot of stuff for a month. Now here I have come to know inventory management. If I was aware of these terms, these tactics, I think I would have run a better business. So after here, I know one thing for sure: if I work in a company or I start my own business, I have an education which will help me grow. And IMT, with no doubt, has the best faculty for marketing. So there was no other option, I thought, when it comes to marketing, apart from IMT. And now the teachers, everybody is superb here. So anybody, who are thinking to go ahead with marketing or even MBA, IMT is a great place for that. The facilities, the teachers, the whole, the environment which you get is amazing. And if you are thinking about MBA, go for it. I'll definitely advise you that, because now I know getting an education, how important that is. For anybody who's planning for an MBA, don't waste time. You don't know what you're missing out. People may say, you can learn everything on the job. Yes, you can, but having an education, having a degree, again, having a degree definitely helps, but in MBA, it's not just the course material that you learn from everything. You learn from each and every case that you read, you learn a lot from that. Here you get a lot of peer learning, people from different backgrounds. You get to learn from every individual. Imagine how much learning you can do, not from the, and that, people say 80% of the learning is done from outside, because when you sit with people, the way you interact, the way you learn, it will add a lot to your education. So in my advice, anybody who's thinking for a higher education, definitely go for MBA, and IMT is an amazing choice for that. Thank you. Bye bye.